In this video, I want to talk about how you can cancel a Temu order before shipping. Now keep in mind you need to do this fast since Temu usually packs your order really quickly. It can be within minutes to a few hours, so keep in mind that you should do this immediately. Now to do this, you just want to head over to your profile, either on the website or on your app, and from in here you want to head over to your orders. Then what you want to do is find the order in here that you want to cancel, select the order, click on cancel items, and then you will need to select some reasons why you want to cancel. Just select any reason, and then you will select the refund. There you can choose to get in the Temu credits that you can use next time you check out, or you can sometimes get it back on your payment method, so either PayPal or whatever you used. Just keep in mind it can take like 7 to 14 days, but once you've done this, you should be able to cancel it and get your refund. Now, if for some reason you were too late and they already packed it and shipped it, then the only thing you can do is just wait until you get the item, and then you can simply return it and get your money back. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.